How to add table in Canva. I'm going to tell you how to add table in Canva. Canva makes it easy to add a table to your design. First, open your project and go to the Elements tab from the toolbar. And in the search bar, just type table and press enter. You'll see a selection of table options. Tap on the one you like to insert into your design, and once added, you can resize it, adjust the number of rows and columns, and customize the colors, borders, and/or text. If you need more customization, you can manually create a table using grids or lines. Another alternative is to design a table in Google Docs or Excel, and then just take a screenshot and upload it to Canva. While Canva's table feature is very useful, it has limitations compared to dedicated spreadsheet tools.